So hello guys, welcome to Technical. Today I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about PS5, the price, the specs, and the release date. So guys, let's get started. For the price, the price is supposed to be somewhere around 400 US dollars to 450 around something, which is 30 to 35,000 Indian rupees. So guys, this is the reason why I'm so much interested in this console. As you know, I've never have shown interest in consoles, and I basically hate consoles. But this is just super, and that brings us to our next uh, segment, which is the specs. The specs are, if I compare it to PC, the processor is around the AMD Ryzen 7 Max, the best of Ryzen 7 or the base of Ryzen 9. So it's just like that, and the graphic card, if I say it's Nvidia RTX 2070 or the 2060, the super one, the which is 8 GB video memory. So this much, if you buy a or build a PC of this much specs, it will easily cost you $2,000 or even approximately 2 lakh Indian rupees, and that's very much if we compare it to a 35,000 rupees console. So if Sony releases a PS5 at this price, if it would be under $500 or 40,000 Indian rupees, it will be just killer. It will be the best device in the market, and it will be the beast for the game. And now let's talk about the final aspect, the release date. The PS4 was released at the 15th November, and Sony is planning to release the PS5 also 6 years later, 14 November or 15th. Sorry guys, the 15th November. So it will be released at 15th November, and it will come along with many of its accessories like the you can this controller and all, and it will be pre-order start from September 9th. That is not confirmed, but date is confirmed around 15th November. So guys, now let's talk about its accessories. It comes with the controller, the dual shock controller, and the HD webcam, and all the pulse headphones. So here you can see the DualSense wireless controller, DualSense charging station, the HD camera, Pulse 3D wireless headset, and the media wave. So all these make the PS5 family super, and it comes in two ways. Digital will be cheaper one, and CD one will be expensive. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to AJ, and I'm also supposing to do a pros and cons video for the